Welcome to the NADA workshop, Dominating Sales with High Quality Photos. My name is Brad King, the founder of Dealer-Made Photo Studios. We're inviting you to join our workshop to learn techniques and tools to deliver high quality visuals such as photos and interactive media that attract and engage potential customers. Joining us will be three industry leaders who have revolutionized car photography in their respective dealerships and roles. I wish to introduce Susan Johnston, the VP of Marketing and Communications for O'Regan's Automotive Group. Her experience in providing quality and consistency across the brand is invaluable. Joe Garnett, the Director of Marketing at Bronability, brings extensive experience from both dealership and manufacturer levels. And Rob Patel, the Remarketing Director at Paragon Honda, provides insight through his innovations and excellence in remarketing. Attendees will leave this workshop with a new understanding of the transformative power of high-quality photos in this digital age. This panel of industry pioneers will share their knowledge and expertise to leave you equipped with the tools to improve your dealership's process and see tangible results. Please come visit our workshop, Dominating Sales with High-Quality Photos.